Alright, so what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. I'm excited to be back. Yesterday I took a day off. I did not upload yesterday, man. I just relaxed, man. I was in Atlanta. All-Star weekend was here in Atlanta, so I was just kind of enjoying myself. I don't know whoever checked out the All-Star game, but I thought it was decent. I ain't really know what to expect from them putting like the whole All-Star game in one day. But I ain't gonna hold you. It was decent. It was decent. Definitely wasn't one of my favorite ones. I thought the dunk contest was pretty weak. Steph Curry did his thing, you know, on the three-point shootout. I wish Chris Paul could have won that skills challenge. But overall, I thought the game was kind of cool. And I thought, you know, All-Star, you know, they did a good job for what they had to do. And like I said, All-Star weekend was here in Atlanta, man. So there was a lot of traffic, a lot of people, a lot of craziness. I'm pretty sure if y'all on Twitter. By the way, if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, my Twitter and my Instagram is down below in the description. So it's like a link that takes you directly to both of those. Go follow me. Appreciate it, man. Especially my Twitter, bro. My Twitter low-key weak. I've been trying to get my Twitter up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I got a package, what was this? Like Friday. And the crazy thing is, it was not like a regular package. It was overnighted to me by a sneaker company that I think everybody pretty much know. Now, I've gotten stuff from stores before. I've gotten stuff from companies before, but it's never overnighted. So I feel like, you know what I'm saying, if you overnighted that package, you know, you must wanted me to get to that ASAP. I'm expecting some heat. Now, I do not have any idea what's in that box. The last time they sent me something, you guys really loved it, so I'm excited to see what's in the box. Now, before we open this up, I don't want to waste too much time, but I do want to bring something back. If y'all used to watch a lot of my old videos, I used to do this a lot more in my old videos, but like I said, I want to bring it back. So we're gonna kick it like this, bro. If you ever ate mac and cheese in your life, I mean just one time, even if you take it from like somebody else's plate to try it out, you know what I'm saying, to see if it's good, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and smash up that like button one time for the one time. The like button is right below the video. Don't cap to me, bro. I know y'all ate mac and cheese, bro. So when I look at these likes and I only see 5 likes, bro, I'm gonna be disappointed. You know what I'm saying? Because I know for a fact y'all didn't eat mac and cheese, bro. Don't play me. Alright, here we have it. This is the box. It's nothing crazy, but so y'all know I ain't clickbaited. You see the package say overnight. You know what I'm saying? No clickbait. It's just facts. These are all facts. Overnighted package. Like I said, I have no idea whatsoever to what this package could be, but it got my curiosity, bro, because of all my time doing videos with different companies, they've never overnighted me anything. And I know some shoes, because I can feel it. Like, don't get me wrong, when I be doing these unboxings, I really like the unboxing videos that come with just more shoes. I like the ones that be having like the crazy unboxings and everything that comes with it. So hey, listen, man. Listen, I see the box, okay? I see the box. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, yeah, I think y'all really gonna love these. Like I said, y'all loved the last one. And here we go again. I'm just showing y'all the box real quick. Another J. Cole Dreamer. Now, the last time we did an unboxing video, they sent me the whole 9. It was like the special packaging. It was super dope. Shout out to Puma for sending me that. And now, Puma has sent me another pair of the J. Cole Dreamers. I'm excited because, like I told you guys in the first video, I remember when they didn't send me the originals. And I was so sick of love songs. You know what I'm saying? I was on my Neo because I love J. Cole, my favorite rapper. I love what Puma's doing. Actually, if you guys don't watch any of my basketball videos on my second channel, I hoop in Puma as we speak. So, you know what I'm saying? I thought that was kind of cool. But yeah, when I didn't get the original, I was sick, man, because I'm like, yo, bro, that's the one I really wanted. And this box is just fire to me. Comment to me how y'all feel about this box, because this might be one of the best boxes I think I've ever seen when it just comes to like general release. I believe this is like the general release box for anybody who buys any shoe. And boxes these days are so corny. Even if you look at the Jordan box, it's just all black Jordan Jumpman logo. I know y'all love Jordan brand, but you gotta admit, bro, that it is like, it gets kind of redundant. I can have 100 boxes like this stacked to the wall and I'll still be excited. So without further ado, man, let's check out this box and see what they have for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Last time it was a Revenge of the Dreamer 2 or the Dreamer 2. This time, no, bro. No, bro. Let's go. Yes, go, bro. Puma. Bruh. They sent me the OG. This was literally the one I was just talking about in the video before I opened. Did they re-release the OG? Bro, I was literally just talking about this. That is crazy. Man, shout out to Puma, man. Thank y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate it. This is the RS Dreamer. This is the OG. This is the first colorway. This is the one I was just telling y'all I was so hurt about not getting. I had no idea they was going to re-release the OG. They're only on the second one. So that you usually don't release an OG until a while after the second one. But this is the first colorway that I was sick about. Listen, when this shoe first rolled out, bro, I think every influencer and their mom got a pair of these J. Cole Dreamers, bro. And I was the only one off the list. Now, I don't feel like, you know, left out, but I was like, damn, I really would have liked those. Because let's be honest, these companies be showing love. They don't owe me anything. So I never looked at it in that standpoint, but I was just like, yo, bro, out of all the stuff y'all sent, I really wish if y'all could have sent me this one, because this one means a lot to me. And they actually sent over the OG late. I don't know if they seen my last video where I really wanted it. Matter of fact, hold on, give me 1 second. Here goes the last Puma that they sent me. This was the one I talked about, you know what I'm saying, when I was saying that I wish I would have had the OG. And it's the Puma. This is the 2. This is the J. Cole Dreamer 2. I know it's kind of lace funny. I already hooped in these already, but yes, this is the 2. All right, and this one right here is the OG. And this is the one I wanted. So I'm super happy, super excited to finally hoop in these. Man, Puma basketball is doing their thing. I always say this in all my videos. They got LaMelo, they got Terry Rozier, they got DeAndre Ayton, they got Danny Green, they got RJ Barrett. The Knicks is finally doing well. I mean, they had an all-star this year, you know what I'm saying, and Julius Randle. So, I mean, Puma is really doing their thing. They're getting a lot of great athletes, a lot of good basketball players. And, hey, bro, the OG. The OG. I can finally say I have the OG. Now, to a lot of y'all, this probably don't hit as hard. I mean, y'all probably think I'm cap, but J. Cole, my favorite rapper. You know what I'm saying? This is his first shoe. This is probably something I wouldn't even wear. This is probably something that, this box probably gonna go behind me. I think I said that before. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna swap out for it. But the box will probably go behind me. These will probably stay DS because, I mean, this is the first collaborative shoe, the first RS Dreamer. You know what I'm saying? It just means a lot. But yeah, man, you see it. This has like a crazy multicolored look. You know, you got some purple in the back, lime green. And I like how, you know, Puma is starting to put the logo on the shoe, but it's not dominating the shoe. So like this Puma logo right here in lime green just looks like it's a part of the shoe. It doesn't look like they're trying to over logo the shoe. I think that was their problem earlier on. They were just slapping the Puma logo all over the place, but now I feel like it fits a little bit more. You get a little red on the toe box, red on the top, flip it around, get a little light blue here, dark blue, a little white. Ready to hoop in these too because it looked like the traction on this is crazy. And then, of course, you see the Puma logo right there on the bottom. I believe this is 3M, too. These little gold pieces, probably 3M. I believe the stitching is probably 3M. And it's probably 3M right here on these two back parts, as you can see right there. RSO right there on the tongue with the Puma logo on top. And last but not least, you see that Dreamer logo right there on the back of the shoe. Yes, sir. Get a close up on that. These are fire, man. These are fire. Like I said, these are basketball shoes. So to my guys that don't hoop, y'all probably won't be impressed. This is something that you probably not gonna wear with a fit, but it is definitely something I will wear to get a bucket in. Comment down below. Let me know how you feel. What do you think about my newest pickup? Thank you, Puma, so much for sending me these OGs. I wanted them super bad. Like, it was a point in time where I was willing to pay resale for these. And here they are, you know? So, thank y'all so much. Make sure you smash the like button if you ever ate macaroni and cheese, man. And until next time, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next few videos. And I will see y'all in the next one. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.